Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be making a peach delight. I picked up these peaches at Jackson's Orchard yesterday, and I'm going to make a delight out of them. And I'm going to do a gluten-free, keto, sugar-free, but you can add real sugar to it if you want to. Just make it at your own choice. Okay, stay tuned. Thank you. Okay, for the crust, I've got a cup of pecans and a cup of almonds, or a cup of pecans and almonds together. I'll put that in there. Put my top on. Okay, I'm gonna mix these up. I'm sorry for the noise. Now to these, see what that looks like? You want them you don't want them real fine. I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of this Swerve brown sugar. You can use regular brown sugar if you don't want it sugar-free. Just use regular brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup. Okay, you put that in there. And then I've got 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Just pour that in there. The lid back on. Okay, and then mix it up. And this is what it'll look like. It'll be where you can put it in the bottom of the pan. This little dish that I'm going to use, and I just put the mixture, the nut mixture down at the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to just press this in the bottom. I'm going to bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. Okay, this is what your crust is going to look like. You let it cool completely, and then we're going to add the cream cheese filling, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, I got 1 block of cream cheese in my bowl, and I'm going to start mixing it up. Sorry for the noise. Okay, to that I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of this Swerve confectioner sugar, or sugar substitute, or you can use real powdered sugar, whichever one that you want to use. Okay, I got 1/2 cup. I'm going to put a splash of vanilla. I'm going to taste it and see if it's sweet enough. I'm going to add a little bit more. Probably about 1/4 of a cup more of the powdered sugar, or sugar substitute. this up. some heavy whipping cream. I've had it in the freezer getting really, really cold. I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of that to the cream cheese mixture. Okay, and I'm gonna mix this up. You want to blend it till stiff peaks. It'll hold its shape. To these peaches, I'm going to add some lemon juice, some fresh squeezed lemon juice. This will help keep them from turning. Okay, here's the crust, and I'm going to put the cream cheese mixture in it, on top of it. Kind of dollop around. You just want to spread it out. Now once you got it spread out, I'm going to take my peaches and start putting them on top. There's nothing like fresh fruit in the summertime. Just kind of want to spread it out a little. Okay, now I've got some fresh blueberries. I'm just going to sprinkle them around on the top. Now I got some strawberries. That's so pretty. Okay, and then I've chopped up some pecans and some almonds, just a few, to show that's what the crust is made out of. Especially if you're taking it somewhere that somebody might be allergic to nuts. If they see it on top, then they'll know it, you know, they can't have it. There we go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.